Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Today we're going to cut a chicken up. We're going to start with a regular chicken and we're going to cut the leg off. We're going to go between the breast and the leg and cut between the skin. And you'll see this slides down. Now we're going to pop it, and we're going to cut in between the pop bone and the chicken. Twist it. I don't have the best knife because this is all I got. So we got that one. We're going to do the other side the same way. Cut between the chicken breast and the leg. And then you're going to pop the leg if it wants to pop. Don't want to do anything today. There. It's in here. There. We'll cut the skin through, leg through. I don't got the best knife, but there's two pieces. Now, we're going to get the wings off. Yahweh. Cut down just like we would them. We're going to pop it too. See? It pops. Go right along the breastbone. I love my knives. I didn't pop it good enough. There we go. And cut down on that. There's a wing. Go to the other side. Cut top. Underneath a little bit. Pop it. Didn't pop it good enough. Oh boy. Of course this chicken's not going to cooperate with me. That's normal. Where's Twist the sucker? And you'll get her. Okay, we got it. Now, flip her over. You got the back right here. I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut the back off. Scissors are crappy too, but you get the gist of it. I think this is the hardest part. This one side. Flip it around. The other side. There's back. You just break it forward. And you got your neck in there. You can do a twist. There's your back. There's the other thingies we don't need. Now we'll flip her over. Cut straight down. If I had better knives, it'd be much faster. Ain't the best demonstration in the world, but you get the gist of it. Yeah, save it. Just take the skin off it. You got that one. Cut those extra bones off. This goes in the pot with the backbone for your chicken broth. This just don't want to cooperate today. Okay. Get the scissors back out. Look at that baby. There we go. There we go. Now, we got all these pieces. Beautiful. Now, if you want to cut your chicken wings apart, yeah, do that. And you cut between the bone here. And that'll be good. Alright, people? So hopefully this recorded. I highly doubt it did, but if it didn't, oh well. And all I can say is keep everything dry when you're doing it. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Did the best I could do with crappy knives, you know. Talk to you later. Tony's Cabin. Bye-bye.